In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow response editing in Google Forms. If you've ever collected responses and then had someone ask to revise their answer, this setting will save you time. Allowing response editing lets respondents return to their submission and make changes without you manually reopening or duplicating anything. Here's how to turn it on and what to expect once you do. First, open your Google form. You can access it from your Google Drive or by going to the Forms homepage and selecting the form you want to edit. Make sure you're in the editor view, where you can see your questions and the top navigation. Next, look at the tabs across the top center of the screen. Click Settings. It's right next to Questions and Responses. This takes you to the form's configuration area, where you control things like how answers are collected and what respondents can do after submitting. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Responses. This is where Google Forms groups options related to collection and management of submissions. Click into it to expand the available controls. Now, turn on Allow Response Editing. This is usually a simple toggle. As soon as you switch it on, the change is saved automatically. There's no separate save button. From this point forward, respondents who submit your form will be able to go back and edit their answers. Here's what that means in practice. After someone submits, they'll see a confirmation page. With this setting enabled, that page includes an edit response link. They can click it immediately to fix a typo or come back later, using that same link to update their answers. Any edits will overwrite the original response, so you'll always see the most current version in your response list and in any linked spreadsheet. A few tips to keep things smooth. Let your respondents know they should keep the confirmation page open or bookmark the edit link if they plan to make changes later. Depending on other settings you've chosen, like requiring sign-in, people may need to use the same account to edit. If you're running a quiz, remember that edits can affect scores and feedback. And if you need to freeze results at a deadline, you can turn Allow Response Editing off later. Previously shared edit links will stop allowing changes. That's it. Open your form, go to Settings, open the Responses section, and enable Allow Response Editing. With this simple switch, you give respondents the flexibility to correct mistakes and keep your data clean and up to date.